Man, I do too many videos, but this the third one of the day. You think that this shit gon' stop? Make your bitch bop like a socking bop. But yeah, she get popped right up in the face by my nipple. She gon' swallow it. Tell a girl to goggle it. Listerine, camera clean. Damn. Why you do that to people? Cause I'm so mean. Like the mean girls. Lindsay Lohan, keep that white girl. Yeah, she slipped that coke, man. And she bring that coke in, and then she ship it out. And that white girl know what I'm about. She bring my money to the house. When she come up to my house, she gon' let me beat it up. When I'm done with that, tell her hold that serve up in my cup. Now that bitch get dismissed, and I say next just like that show. Then I'm telling you I'm coming through, and I say blowing dro. Yeah, I'm on that dro. Boy, eyes to the floor. Yeah, I'm jigging. Yeah, I'm jigging. My eyes fit low. And them niggas to be rapping, they are really sorry. Ha ha, that's not my baby. Put that bitch on Mari. Because I stay with a rubber, you know that I stay strapped up and I stay with the motherfucking gang. So you can get lapped up. You and your partner tied, y'all out of breath. Well, I got that nine. Nigga straight theft. Grand theft auto with your fucking life. Nigga, fucking your spouse, screwing your wife. It doesn't matter, my nigga, cause I do it, and your girlfriend like me. She's Cameron influence.